Should you need to move your CAD/CAM materials to a different place in your milling center, inventory management allows you to easily rename or select a new location to manage your materials. To rename a location in the Locations panel, click the Rename button. When the pop-up screen appears, click on the Name field and delete the text. Then, type in a new location name and click the Apply button. The name of the location will update and keep the same items assigned to its location. To change the location of a unit of material in your inventory, click on a location. Then, click on the serial number of the item you would like to change. In the Item View panel, click the Edit button. In the pop-up window, you can use the drop-down menu to select a different location for your item. After selecting a different location, click the Submit button to save your changes. Upon returning to the Item View panel, the location will be updated. From here, if you want to see other units stored in the same location, click on the location link in this panel.